Hello everyone and welcome to my new video on PEPECOIN cryptocurrency out there, talking about a price action and details for November 2023. This is a video aiming to sort of a way represent you what's happening behind the door from the technical standpoint. I'd like to talk about probabilities and what is down on the table possibility for a bullish movement towards higher levels that we're actually talking about today. So make sure to follow me on my main YouTube channel as well, where we have very important and interesting videos for you guys. Check out all the links in the description and comments area. And by the way, for those of you that would like to join my sort of a way inner circle bot trading, I'm doing it for my community and for myself. Make sure to check out basically our page. I'm going to talk about it at the end. No upfront fee, just commission from the profits made by the bot. At the same time, we have a one-on-one coaching for those of you that value education and believe by improving the skills can generate different results. So let's see what's happening with PEPECOIN, guys. And I'm going to open up CoinMarketCap trendings right now in front of you, share with you the fact that we are ranked number 6 on PEPECOIN right now for the trendings. And this is a great sign. If you look at the top ones, we can actually see that Pepe is having a 47% increase for the past 30 days. This is obviously less than what's been happening for the past 7 days, which is up by 55%. And this is usual, guys, because we're talking about a cryptocurrency that as soon as the market is becoming bullish and it moves, all these cryptos that are low market cap, they do have a situation of high volatility throughout the index, and the whole chart representation can become 10-15% volatile in a day. Then the expectations when we have a bullish rally like it is today in the markets are easily above 50-100%. So let's discover more about PEPECOIN on the charts and see what's right there on the table for November 2023. Well, first of all, we're looking at the daily candlesticks for the Binance, and we have a USDT comparison. You do not have a 200 days moving average line. You only have 100 days, 50 days, and 20 days. So 100 is right there. The 50 days is basically the orange one, and then the red one is the 20 days moving average amongst the lines. This is a pretty decent indicator that has the ability, when we talk about the daily candlesticks, to showcase certain things. One of the things that I'd like to portray is the time when the blue line, which is, a light blue, has been sort of a way rejecting us, as you can see on 100 days moving average. The rejection of 100 days moving average resulted in a massive decrease of the price, because 100 days moving average is a massive indicator out there for a lot of the bot trading. When we talk about bearish markets, accumulation phases, and situations like that, this cryptocurrencies used to be driven by the bot trading. A lot of the bot trading happening back and forth, and the follow of the BTC and Ethereum is going at a much higher volatility. 57% decrease in the past 34 days during that specific segment, which is a situation generated by the 100 days moving average. Now, on the other side, I'd like to share with you another thing. What's been happening right there is a great sign of bullishness, because 100 days moving average is holding us. Take a look at that, guys. I'm going to zoom in a little more and share with you closer the fact. So 100 days moving average is basically holding us by reacting on a strongly engulfing price action movement, which is the result of the support of the 100 days moving average. This is what's been happening after we got rejected by the golden pocket levels. The golden pocket levels in between the two horizontal yellow lines, just like that, we got rejected over there, and you see the red candle coming downwards. But then everything that was price action below 100 days moving average, take a look at the wicks, has been purchased. So the whales took action and got into the market straight away, as soon as it was below 100 days moving average. And it's clear why, because that is a strong signal of market bullishness, which is confirmed at the time it has been stemmed, but someone, which is right now referring to a category of buyers, have purchased massively right there along the way with the bots and exchanges, market makers, and so on, not permitting the space to show a bearish representation, a failure of the 100 days moving average holding and support. So they printed the opposite. They printed the confirmation of the support, and this is resulting in a market continuation of bullishness. So right now, we have on top of that another set of great information, which is the support probability appearing on the golden pocket. This support probability is going to confirm a movement that can easily be printed on this top and then this specific supply structure that it's hiding on the top left corner. That is sitting on 170s, 165, 175, 180s. The problem with this altcoins is that the volatility when it starts moving is so high that it does 20-30% daily. So during November, we only need, 5 to 6 days of decent Bitcoin behavior, because we are sort of away somehow and somewhat correlated with Bitcoin. Give us 5 to 6 days of decent Bitcoin behavior during the whole month. And during this 5 to 6 days, PEPECOIN at some point starts moving. It prints 20% in a day. It prints another 20% in the other day. And it makes it throughout the third day close to 45, 50, 55% movement towards the supply level right there. Supply level is here, folks, right? So you got to be careful. Basically, at the end of the day, this is where we're expecting strong resistance. That's where you need to sort of consider taking partial profits out or stepping out of the markets from PEPECOIN for November. I mean, the whole movement at that time is not going to be minor anymore. It will be 175% movement, folks, from the bottom. It's not just from the moment we're right now, but also from the time it has started to move. This is from where we must do our calculations. That's it for PEPECOIN expectations on the table, guys. There's two great signs. We have been supported by 100 days, and we saw how powerful it was with previous signals delivered when it has been rejected. And then right now we're actually dealing with a probability of getting supported. The first week of November is very important, which starts basically by Wednesday. So there's 2 more days till that point. And we are looking forward for the first week to be closing green, right? So the weekly candlestick, it's Monday today. It is 30th of November. So we're actually looking for this week candle to close green. If it does, then another week throughout November is going to push us basically with a high probability towards 160, 165, 170, 175. It is a very, very long range supply level here to the left side, which is basically something that you must consider as a possibility of exiting, as well as a necessity at some point of exiting. So that's it on the table, folks. Make sure to subscribe to the channel, have a good time, and for those you are interested to check out the presentation correlated with our bot trading, make sure to check out the links. This is no fancy sales page or stuff like that, only done for my close community and for myself. For those of you interested, we have our AI bot trading, ChatGPT, no prior fee, only commission from the pure profits made. If you're interested, check out, find out more about it, and join us. At the same time, if you value education, if you believe by improving your education you can improve your results, make sure to check out our page as well of one-on-one coaching program where I can work with you intensively between 4 to 6 weeks in transforming you into a trader. That's it for today. Subscribe and like the video. Have a good time.